Peer-to-peer is called many things. It's called links, it's called peer-mediated instruction, but I feel like peer-to-peer goes beyond just instruction. It's peer modeling, it's friendships, it's collaboration and teamwork. It's a friend. So I love the name peer-to-peer. I almost wish it was called friend-to-friend, because that is essentially what comes out of the work that gets done within the school. I see it often written into individualized education programs for students who may have struggles with engagement or struggles with social within a community setting. And so peer-to-peer to me is person-to-person. The most rewarding aspects of a peer-to-peer program is looking at a cultural change that happens within a school. So we've seen small scale anywhere from one student that might need some supports and small groups that meet in the morning for a breakfast bunch or a coffee klatch, and it's just coming together and playing games and having that what they call medium of exchange, that the students can come together around and just have and create their relationships around that. It's advertised, as a course for credit. And so it becomes part of the school-wide, like I said, the culture of the school. So people are coming and giving fist bumps to all the students if they don't know someone, and just saying hi and being a friend. So it's that shift from watching it go from a small group of students that were really focused on being peers for a targeted student who might need that support, to becoming a school-wide culture where everyone is greeting everyone and including them in all of the activities, not just in the school environment, but even out in the community where they might be at football games or even events that are happening in towns. Students that may be struggling to attend school for various reasons, teams have offered peer-to-peer as a sort of informal intervention for them and suggested that as an elective course. Why don't you try peer-to-peer? And we have found that some students that struggle to come to school for various reasons, often their attendance would improve. And it was often this purpose, like the why behind coming to school. And when we talked to a few different students, well, they need me. I'm supposed to be in that class with them. And they would have that, that was their rationale, that they're counting on me, so I need to be here today. I think of a student that he was big into magic, and so he would come and he knew that the students that he worked with through the peer-to-peer program loved the magic that he brought into that hour, whether it was the juggling or making the quarter disappear, whatever it might be. And so he knew that he was dependent upon to bring what he had, and felt empowered to bring what he had into school, and it created that why and that purpose and increased that attendance and coming to school, while supporting other students.